What's the meaning of buffeting? Buffeting. Buffeting.
Buffeting. Buffeting. Buffeting refers to the physical force that causes repeated, unsteady movements or vibrations in a stationary object or in an object moving through a fluid, such as air or water. The result of buffeting can be detrimental, as it can cause damage or instability in the affected object and create turbulence or disturbance in the surrounding environment. For example, airplane wings can experience buffeting during turbulent flights, which can lead to loss of control or even structural failure. Similarly, motor vehicles can experience buffeting from strong winds or uneven terrain, which can cause steering difficulties and increase the risk of accidents.